It's a 2015 Toyota Tundra. This truck is both beautiful and beastly. It is simultaneously ready to provide comfort and get tough. It's powered by a V8 engine mated to a 6-speed automatic with intelligence. Trailer sway control and an easy lower and lift tailgate will help you get the job done. Step inside and you'll appreciate the backup camera, in-tune audio with touchscreen display and Bluetooth wireless technology. Say hello to adventure with this Tundra. Come in today.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.